Okay, question 4. Human muscles contain satellite cells within the muscle tissue. The diagram illustrates the division and differentiation of satellite cells. Okay, fair enough. Using information from the diagram, explain why satellite cells are an example of tissue, adult, and not embryonic stem cells. Okay, the information is here because all stem cells can undergo cell division to self-renew, so it's not this bit here. And what you're looking at, and it has to be from the diagram, so I'm not just looking for a definition of an adult tissue cell. Can't just say adult tissue cells can only differentiate into a limited number of cell types, because that is just the definition, but it says from the diagram. So what you're going to say here is it is only differentiating into a limited number of cells, the myoblast and the muscle cells. Okay. State one benefit to the human body of satellite cells differentiating into myoblast cells. Well, myoblast cells are what then goes to muscle cells, so you're looking at growth or repair of muscle. Pretty much it. Okay. Satellite cells could be used to treat muscle diseases. Give one ethical reason for using satellite cells instead of embryonic stem cells in order to treat such diseases. So this is your ethical reason that you're just going to use all the time about this. This doesn't use embryos for the production of the cells. So no destruction of embryos while doing this. Okay, give one example of how stem cells are used as model cells in medical research. I guess straight out of your content statements. So either we can, it says in medical research, so we're looking at studying cell cycles, cell division, cell differentiation, or we're looking at, I would think, probably the one you would go for when it says medical research, modelling drug action in specific cell types. And you could also say that you're using them to model disease progression within a cell. And that's the question.